Hello, welcome to my presentation. I want to share my knowledge about AI. Today I'll tell you what AI is, show you some examples, explain how it works, also teach you where to find resources to learn more. So, let's dive right into the fascinating world of AI. So, let us see what is AI. Making computers think like humans. It makes computers smart enough to do things usually reserved for people, like talking, seeing, and deciding. Essentially, AI helps computers learn from information and make choices like we do. Now let us see the examples of AI. You might not realize it, but AI is everywhere. Your phone probably has a digital assistant like Siri or Google Assistant that uses voice recognition to answer questions and set reminders. Self-driving cars use AI to see roads and obstacles, avoiding accidents. Even video games have AI enemies that adapt and strategize against players. Next comes, how does AI work? AI systems consist of three parts: input devices, processors, and programs. They learn by looking at lots of examples and figuring out rules through trial and error. Imagine if you showed a computer thousands of pictures of cats. Eventually, it would begin recognizing cat features and distinguish cats from other animals. That's how AI works. Now let us see the benefits of AI. AI is super useful because it can help doctors spot sickness quicker and more precisely. Researchers also use AI to follow wild animals and safeguard rare species. Teachers can customize schoolwork for every learner better with AI. Also, scientists apply AI to examine climate change and search for eco-friendly answers. All in all, AI makes life easier and solves hard problems human faces. Now, let us look at taking care of important things with AI. AI is wonderful, but we need to watch out for some important things when using it. First, keep secrets like names, photos, addresses, etc. safe and hidden. Second, don't let AI take away too many jobs, but try to help people do their work better. Finally, always be kind to everyone by treating them equally. Sometimes AI can get confused by bad or mixed up information, but if developers fix these, AI will be safer, friendlier, and more helpful for everyone. Excited about AI? Great! Here are some websites offering free activities and lessons to kickstart your journey. Code.org, scratch.mit.edu, tinker.com, Microsoft Minecraft Education Edition. Happy exploring, and remember, practice makes perfect. That's all for now. Remember, AI is amazing, helpful, and full of endless opportunities. See you next time. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of AI and other exciting technologies. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.